Dickie Bill here, and I am doing an updated website analysis for you since it was brought up at the Awaken School business, and wanted to see where you stood with the changes that you have made. Okay, so the teach Google search Vancouver BC spiritual teachers. I did that one. And see on the first page, I did Vancouver BC shamanic teacher. Krista Lynn is at the top of the list. And so we're going to look at her website compared to yours. I also noticed on that their Google business profiles are not showing up for these particular searches. And that's interesting because I looked at yours again. And I also did Vancouver BC business mentor. Okay. Business coach is a sponsored ad. There's a couple sponsored ads, and then Small Business BC is at the top of that search. I looked at your Google business profile. Also, I looked at what was ranking. Right now, your website's ranking at the top here. And then the Power Path has you. YouTube. I don't know if you're actually linking to your website from your YouTube channels in the descriptions. You can do that, and it's a powerful backlink for you. You can also do it from Facebook and LinkedIn. Instagram's a little tougher to link back to your website. But I saw your pictures. They look good. You do have your website there. That's excellent. Put some questions in the question and answers, and put your phone number in there if you want to. I'm sure you looked at it carefully, and you can also put offers in there as well. Like if you have something that you want to offer special for the month of September, you can put it in your Google business profile. It adds to the activity and makes you start to show up. I don't understand when it says shamanic teacher and healer, business mentor, soul guide, that at least you weren't showing up for a business mentor and shamanic teacher. So maybe you need some reviews in there. I don't know. Let's look at your metrics. Little bit higher you are because you have backlinks now. And it looks like from SEO improvement and optimization link. And that's a common first link for a lot of websites. Still not ranking for any keywords, and there's no traffic. Your website looks great. Everything works. I checked it all out. Let's look at who's this? This one lady here, Krista Lynn. This is her website, and it's nowhere near as elegant as yours. But she's ranking number one in shamanic. Let's see, what was the shamanic teacher? Okay. Vancouver BC shamanic teacher. Not that you need them in Vancouver BC, but if you don't show up locally first, chances are real good you're not showing up nationwide. So we'll look at her metrics. Domain rating of 10. That's not hard to beat, especially with this UR of 0. And that's amazing because she has a lot of backlinks. Let's look at the strength of them. They start in the 70s, just a few 70s, and straight down. But that backlink profile, comparatively to, at least to yours, it shows that it's not showing up. I have not looked at her keywords yet, so this is going to be new for me. Let's look at the strongest positions. She's ranking 3 for wax water. Let's look. Online shamanic practitioner course. That's 20 searches a month for that. And it's not very hard to rank for that particular keyword at all. Shamanic rattle uses, 10 searches a month. A medicine drum or shamanic drum searches 250 times a month, and it's very easy to rank for this. And all of these are cumulative for her regarding her particular overview. And she's ranking for all these keywords. This penguin spirit animal has 250 searches a month. Who knew? I didn't. But apparently that's something. And I know how she's getting these keywords. She's getting them in her blog, okay? And I looked at your blog as well. But all that to say, this is the reason why you want to be at the top of Google right here. This is traffic. She gets 25 clicks a month, and each click is valued at $8. So that's $200 a month just off her website. If once you go nationwide, the value goes up, and depending on the offerings, I don't know what she's charging, if anything at all. Maybe she's just doing it for medicine gifts and that kind of thing. I don't know anything about this person. However, let's talk about your blog. Let's go to it. I know it's here. I saw it. It was wonderful. Courageously committed to staying on course. Okay. These are great. These links to other places. It looks like a different blog. Okay. And those are good, but what you really want to do is have these kind of links going back to your homepage with keywords. Maybe big magic, that could be a keyword you might be wanting to rank for. There's all kinds of things. This is good to the podcast. Excellent. It's good. You got the links there, but now you want to do the keywords in your message. And sometimes it's a strategic way of going about it. You find which keywords people are searching for every month, and you include them in your content with them bolded, highlighted, and maybe linked out somewhere to a place that you trust or somewhere on your website, because that will start adding keywords to your website, to your ranking on Google. One other thing is that you need to get on some lists, okay? You're just with these metrics on your page, the referring domains, you need to get on like Yelp, MapQuest, Yellow Pages, things along those lines. That will start you that's like an ante to getting into being seen online. I hope this helps, Jennifer. It was a quick review and update on what is going on. I like the changes. I like your website and what you're doing. Keep it up and have a great day. Bye.